Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you can hear me better. I did some stuff with the mic, moved some stuff around, changed some stuff, so hopefully you can hear me better, and hopefully it's not popping, because that would suck. But I am heading to a meetup spot. I know I'm meeting up with one guy. I don't know if I've ever rode with him before or not. I don't know what type of bike he has. There's just a group that we have, and so we have like 400, 300 members, something like that, and just post to it, see who's all riding. I hope my bag is zipped. That would suck if not. Man, I am going to need a new helmet soon. I don't know if I want to go with another Scorpion, if I want to go with Rock, if I want to go with the Voss. Rock is a little bit more pricey than Voss. I was looking at them last night. Both have good looking helmets. I just don't know what I want to go with. I don't want to go with something like stupid, insanely correct. You know, crazy, like $700, $800, $900. I don't need something that crazy. All right. We are almost to the meeting spot. Hey, found somebody. What up, bro? How you doing? Doing all right. What's your name? Cody. Cody, nice to meet you, man. Thank you. We got a clean S1000 RR over here, guys. I hate when people jump the light, man. Oh my God, I know you guys heard that shit. Holy hell. That cop turned around back there to get right behind us, both of them.
Playing with my mind, gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. Take me to
So yeah, we're gonna skip lunch. We're just gonna head back. I had a good ride though, guys. I really did. We had Sean on the S1000, we had Cody on the Gixxer 600, and then we had Nick on the DRZ. It was a good time. If you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure that you leave a like on it. And always make sure that the bell notification is turned on so you know when I upload more content. And as always, you guys stay blessed, ride safe, and I will see you on the next video.